What are your rates? Number one question I think that people want to know from mortgage companies. And that is difficult to answer because there's so many factors that go into determining your rate. It's not just the market. It's your credit report, your score, your history, or your bankruptcies, your foreclosures, your collections, etc. Your down payment, is it 3%, 5%, 20%? Because that plays a role. Another thing that will help determine your rate is what type of loan it is. Is it a USDA, VA, FHA, jumbo, conventional, cash out refi rate and term? Another thing, believe it or not, would be your home location and even your rate lock. So the time that you lock your rate, if you lock your rate for 30 days as opposed to 90 days, you're going to get a little bit lower of a rate. So keep that in mind when you're choosing your closing date. And another thing that actually plays a role is the terms of your loan. So if you decide, I'm going to do a 15-year as opposed to a 30-year, you're going to get a little break in your pricing, most likely, and as well as an additional adjustable rate mortgage. You'll probably get a little bit of a break in that as well. So there's a lot of moving parts that go into determining what rate you personally qualify for. So just keep that in mind, that your rate can differ from one day to the next. And that's why it's really important to get all of your documents in quickly so that we can lock you right away and we don't have to pay for any rate lock extensions, so we can close on time.